I'm Joe from Aqualabs. Welcome to a series where we take a look at the key ingredients that make our products work so well. Today, we're taking a look at Dragon Force. The main ingredient here is sulfur. We use it to provide an early finish signal to the plant. This then makes the plant produce a final push to rush as many nutrients and sugars to the fruit and flower as possible. Shogun Dragon Force is formulated with a precise ratio of nutrients to force the maturation of flowers, and a little added nitrogen helps aid sulfur's ability to steer the plant into maturation. This then increases the movement of various ingredients like calcium and carbohydrates straight to the fruit and flowers, and also prevents copper from being leached out from the root zone. Using Shogun Dragon Force brings so many benefits, including increased secondary metabolite production, such as plant resins and aroma compounds, raises calcium content in flowers, leading to improvements in post-harvest quality, boosts copper tissue concentrations, stimulating the plant's natural defense system, and finally, improves overall quality and yield.